Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. Of course, it is time for our birthday shout out of the day. If it is your birthday, comment down below and y'all go show some love to whomever does have a birthday today. I just received my Fabfitfun Beauty Edit box. I have received this, I believe, since like February. It's a pretty new subscription service. I want to say it started back in January. I will pop all the pricing and details and stuff right here. I love mystery boxes, I love subscription boxes, you guys know this already, and generally I do not like spoilers. I like to be surprised, I like the mystery of it, but I have to say with Fabfitfun, the Beauty Edit box, I love that we can go in and we customize all 4 items ourselves. So if we're not satisfied, it's either because the curation wasn't the best, or because we didn't pick what we really wanted, y'all. Of course, at the end of the video, I will show you all the categories and obviously what items we had to choose from. All that being said, I'm gonna be quiet and dive right in. We have a cutie patootie little HelloFresh thing in here. First up, I chose the Spectrum Makeup Puff Bundle Set, and it's got 4 different puffs in it. I've tried a couple Spectrum brushes and I really like them, and I am a fan of puffs. I use them pretty much daily if I'm using powder, and I just like the shades of these. I liked the different shapes of these as well, so I started off with that. Next up, I've heard nothing but great things from Desi Skin, so I'm incredibly excited. I actually just got out of the shower, hence no makeup today, but you guys told me that was fine. That was y'all's decision to tell me, like, girl, if you don't want to wear makeup while you film, don't wear makeup, so you don't come for me, okay? So I might try this. It's the Desi Skin Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh, no, not at all what that says, Refresh Face Mist. I can say right now it feels really heavy. It's a nice big size. Let me see how to use. It says it has vitamin C, caffeine, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. They join forces to help your skin stay balanced and strong. This fine mist also contains 2 powerful concentrates, one identical to your skin's natural lipids and the other filled with natural fruit extracts and antioxidants. These concentrates help to maintain skin's protective barrier to keep impurities out and moisture in. Can be used on bare skin to prep and hydrate, or after makeup application to set in your look. Hold the bottle approximately 8 to 10 inches from the face and mist 2 to 3 times evenly. I'm excited. And again, it feels really nice, very heavy. I'm all for like nice packaging, me kind of feeling like it's not just kind of cheap and chintzy. I mean, if it's $1 or $2, of course it's gonna feel cheap. I'm gonna try this real quick. I do like the component, like the packaging and everything. Very, very fine mister. I do not smell anything at all. Whoa. And I definitely feel very, very hydrated and glowy and stuff like that. Okay, y'all, look. All the people that talk about the Alba stuff, y'all, I bought some for myself, and I can drench my skin in that, and it does not give me this level of glow. So already I'm liking this. Next up, I chose the Pharmacy Lip Smoothie Pear Kiwi Vitamin C and Peptide Lip Balm. I'm also going to try this out. I do already have on my little Clarins one. I use these consistently. I am a fan of lip products, lip nourishing, you know, masks, things like that. All right, I like the packaging. And I'm gonna go in with a disposable applicator, just in the case I don't like it. I'm not actually smelling anything at all. Okay, that seems pretty light. I thought it was gonna be incredibly dense. I would call it like a lighter weight petroleum jelly kind of vibe. Ooh, Oh yeah, if you like petroleum jelly, like that kind of vibe, that type of texture and consistency, this is lighter than that and kind of really melts into the skin. I don't smell anything at all. I kind of wish we did, but I'm fine if it doesn't have any scent to it. Love that also. And then to round out my choices, I opted for the Pharmacy Honey Cloud Lightweight Barrier Repair Moisturizer. I think I'm also gonna test this out. It's not often I get to test like skincare and stuff with you guys. Love the packaging. It is nice and heavy, frosted glass. It does have the little protector cap on here. I'm just gonna take what little bit is here. This looks to be A medium density, not runny, not a super thin lotion, but not a heavy like whipped body balm or butter. So I'm gonna test this out as well. I don't smell anything at all. I do have serum on, or I had serum on prior to starting, but I did not have moisturizer on. Oh, that feels really nice. This would be a perfect option for daytime. Yeah, I feel quenched, I feel hydrated and stuff like that. All right, y'all, look, I loved the selection for this month. Like I said, I'll put that at the end for you guys. And I do understand that maybe sometimes we're not gonna find something we love in each category. I get that. I get that. But I do like the option here that we can go in each category and pick our own selections. And a lot of times, like this time around, they had a couple products from Pharmacy. I know last time we had like a lot of stuff from Briogeo. So if you're kind of trying to test the waters, test a brand, if you will, this is a really affordable way to do that. Like if you wanted to go in and pick all Pharmacy or pick a couple Pharmacy picks, you know, from the Briogeo, things like that. I love everything and I'm excited. I'll run that down one more time for you guys. I got the Pharmacy Honey Cloud Lightweight Barrier Repair Moisturizer. 100% agree with that. It does pass the snap test, which I like. That means for me, it's really absorbing in quickly. It's not sitting on top of the skin. It's not kind of emollient and greasy and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna love that. So far, so good. We got the Pharmacy Lip Smoothie Pear Kiwi Vitamin C and Peptide Lip Balm. I wish it smelled yummy, and maybe I'm just not smelling it, but I don't smell anything at all. But it feels great. And it's not like super heavy and dense, but I feel like it's dense enough or has enough grip, if you will, that it will stay on the lips if you wanted to wear it overnight or whatever the case may be. Next up, we have our Desi Skin Do Me Over Prep, Set, and Refresh Face Mist. I like the actual component and stuff like that. It has a nice fine mist with a wide spray radius. It's not aggressive or anything like that, so love that as well. And then to round things out, we have our Spectrum Makeup Puff Bundle. That is it for my Fabfitfun Beauty Edit box. I'd like to know what you chose and what are some of your favorite subscription boxes. Are you not a fan of subscription boxes? I'd like to know. Comment down below. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can share this video out, you can hype this video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.